Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deska. In case you're new, kindly subscribe and also check the notification because check the description because we've got an amazing offer for you guys. Now, people have been asking me like Deska, how do you trade the market? How do you go about your entries, your exit, and everything? That is why today I decided to give you a free strategy with more than 90% win rate. Because yeah, showing everything and answering questions that have always been asked. So guys, uh, let's start. I hope you have a pen and a paper because you're here to learn. So make sure you make some notes and also learn. So we have only two ways you can trade a trading market. Before that, we have two types of trend. So we have an uptrend and also we have a downtrend. So let's take an example of an uptrend because I want to show you how you can trade an uptrend. In an uptrend, the market is making a series of higher highs and higher lows. So you can see, so this is an uptrend, right? So there are two ways you can trade a trading market. For example, the market is trading an upward movement. So you can trade either trend continuations, like for example, when the market is trading within the range, then final breaks out, you can trade. You can wait for a retest over here, then buy from here. So if you buy from here, this is what I mean by trading trend continuation, maybe breakout, and also from you buy from here again. So this is what I'm saying. You can trade continuation. But now, when you are selling an uptrend, that is when you are like, for example, when you take the sell from here to here, from here to here, or from here to here, when you're selling in an uptrend, that is where what I'm saying. You can also trend reversal. So we have trend reversals and trend continuation. You can also trend reversal when the market breaks out of the trend. You see, like when the market has broken out of the trend and maybe it has then you can trade the trend reversal. So basically, these are the only two ways you can trade trend reversal. So you have the continuation and reversals. And also, we have other types, apart from the uptrend and downtrend, we have other types of the trend. We have long-term trends and we have short-term trends. So long-term trends are the trends that are formed on higher time frames like monthly time frame, weekly, and daily. Those are long-term trends. So we also have a short-term trend that is formed that's for day traders now. It is formed on 4 hour time frame, 1 hour and 30 minutes. So basically most of the time because we are the day traders, we use the short-term trends. Note better. Trading channels on 1 hour and H4 and also can be considered as short-term trend because sometimes all the channels, just basically the channels, they are also considered as as the trends, short-term trends. Now, guys, I want to show you how we can take the trends. For example, this is USDCHF. I've been trading this the whole this week. So as I say, we are using the lower time frame trends, that is 1 hour, 4 hour, all that means trend. So I don't so for example, you can see this. So basically we had this trend over here from here to here to here. Understand? So from also from here also from here to here, there was a trend. Now you can see, so this market was trending to the downside. So breakout of the trend symbolizes trend reversal or maybe a possible new trend. Maybe the market, every time the market, let me show you what it. Now, when the market breaks out of the trend, for example, this trend, when the market breaks out of the trend, most of the time it's always creating a new trend. Like maybe this one, how you can see it from here to here, you can see now the market has started creating a new trend. So, which also means the market now has changed direction. We are no longer in an uptrend. We are we're now in a downtrend. So this is what happens when the market breaks out of the trend. It may be creating a new structure or it has changed the trend, right? I hope now you have understood when the market forms. This pattern is called the head and shoulders. You can see the head, the left shoulder, and the right shoulder. So it's called the head and shoulders now. Back to the chart. So now you as you can see on the wrist chart, let me explain. So this is USD CHF on 1 hour time frame. You can see this was the lowest low. And also from here, you can see this level was very, very important because the market rejected one time, two times, three times, four times, five times, several times. And also this other level, you can also see the reason why the market reversed after hitting this level. Understand? So this is the reason the market rejected here because of this resistance zone that was respected. Now I remember I took the sell from here. Reason being now the market had already created this downtrend. You can see a double top over here. This is resistance trend and this horizontal resistance. The market formed a double top. So where is it? We said we can trade trend continuations or trend reversals. The reason I entered the sell it is because let me first of all use a more highlighted zones to explain so that my setup can be very, very clear and clean. Yes. Now I entered the sell from here because you can see the double top at the resistance. We also on a downtrend, and also we have the trend line conference here. So the market from a double top, which symbolizes double top at the resistance, it means we are supposed to sell. So the reason I entered the sell, and I kept holding my trends because we're in a downtrend. Market formed lower low, lower high, dropped again. Then when the market was somewhere right here, I locked my trends up to this level and finally it got stopped out. Now, what are we expecting? So we say when the market forms head and shoulders or inverse head and shoulders, it always symbolize the trend has changed and maybe market is creating a new trend. So we will be expecting the market to retest and from here we can buy, all right? So that is the first scenario that we expecting. So maybe the market, we've already seen how the market creates a new trend after the market breakout. So you can see from here, the market has also started creating a what? A trend. So you can see the newly formed trend. You can also see it on the real chart. So guys, it's very, very simple trading the trend. Now we are waiting for the trend to come to the support and then from here so that we can buy. But also, when you're trading a trading market, there's something always called probabilities and possibilities. And the probability is the market has created an uptrend over here. So what can happen here is maybe market can break. Should the market break, this is just another scenario that can happen because we don't control the market. Anything can happen. Market is always right. So maybe the market can break, but should the market maybe retest, it will form a head and shoulder. That's when we will set up to this because of left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. I've already shown it here somewhere when I was explaining what happens. Now, or maybe let me remove this one and show you another scenario. Now, this is when we are trading trend continuation. We will wait the market to come here, then we buy. If when you're trading trend reversals, we can trade when the market breaks out of the channel or at the resistance of the trend line. Now, maybe the market can give us another reversal pattern, like the market can drop as it has been dropping, then can come back for maybe a double top, then drop. We can sell up to this level before buying. After the formation of this double top, we can sell up to this level before buying. But should the market break and give us a certain shoulder, we will sell. But now we are waiting to buy the market from here or sell after the formation of a double top. So you can see market always gives you a lot of scenarios. So you don't need to have that fixed mindset. Always never have a fixed mindset. Always just know anything can happen in the market. Market can reverse, can break some levels. But what I know is these are reversal levels. So since this is a reversal level and it's on a support, we're expecting the market will maybe reverse from here. But should the market break, then also should the market break from here, we'll consider our setup invalidated and we'll be checking for some other patterns. Now, next. A trend reversal marks the end of an existing trend and the beginning of a new one. A reversal may happen in any time frame, as I already explained, but I always take my entries on maybe 1 hour, 4 hour, or 30 minutes, depending on where I get the confirmation. So So on the next lesson, maybe I will cover about someone asked me to cover about the breakout. We will on the next lesson we'll cover about the fake breakouts and the true breakout and how they really happen. How sessions also, affect the breakouts and everything. So but now before I summarize, so I like to like to show you the some of the things I check before executing the market. So I always check for the trend. Like you can see here, I'm expecting a buy from here because now the market has created a new trend. We are no longer in a downtrend. We are now in an uptrend. So in an uptrend, we are a long-term buy. So because we are looking for buying opportunities. The second thing is the key levels. Key levels, they are the major support. They are the major reversal in any zones. For example, this one is a support. Actually, key levels are the support and success. So I'll be waiting. Maybe this one I always check these levels is because when I buy from here, I'll place my stop loss below the zone because I know should the market break the support, it will automatically become the resistance. Now I will buy from here and praise. Now these key levels also gives you good places to place your stop losses and your take profits because now when I pay from here, my stop loss will be below the zone and now my take profit should be here with the risk reward ratio of 1 is to 2 point something. Also, we have some other things to check, but now for today, that is what I wanted to do. How to trend the trend is very simple because now it gives you all the buyers. Should the market give you buying opportunities, just execute the buying just execute the market, give you selling opportunity because from here you are supposed to buy. Should the market break and test, you are supposed to sell because of the head and shoulders. Now, trading the trade gives you all the possibilities that can happen to the market and all the buyers. Otherwise, guys, check to the description in case you want to join our mentorship. The link with our Telegram link will be there. Also, my number. If you want to maybe join our signals group, everything will be in the description below. Otherwise, guys, DMT your mentor signing out.